by the rules. And you will be having refracted solution, that is system hardening and state of art wireless security protocols. And unbalanced primal forces, management of confidentiality and integrity will come under unbalanced primal forces. Anecdotal evidence is in wireless, the access point which with the strongest signal is the one that user devices will trust even if it's malicious. That is, see, whenever you are going with respect to wireless, in wireless, the access point with the strongest signal is the one that user devices will trust, even it is a malicious. Whatever the strongest signal you are getting from the wireless connections, that will be the signal which is which a device will be trusting with respect to accessing the data. If that strongest signal is only malicious, then the device will take it as a trusted signal only. That is the main problem we will get in this. Always play the network, always play the rules. See, rules with respect to network we are checking is the device will always take the strongest signal, but that is a rule. But if the strongest signal is a malicious, then also it will follow the rule. That is the main problem with respect to this network plays by the rule. Okay. And anti-pattern solution, the internet was not designed for the security in mind, neither were many wireless technologies. For example, both Wi-Fi enabled laptops and global systems for mobile communication, GSM, cell phones, accepts any base station that knows the respective protocols. For example, see, if your Wi-Fi enabled laptops are there, global systems for the mobile communication, GPS systems are there with respect to cell phones, and any base station that knows the respective protocol. If respective protocols of the mobile systems or your laptops and all, if you are enabling the Wi-Fi always, then you can connect with the any type of Wi-Fi router connections or Wi-Fi network which is nearby your laptop. Everything can be connected towards your system. Okay. And there is a free security tool called as Karma that can turn any Wi-Fi enabled laptop into the imposter wireless access points. Okay. See, if we are security tool that is called as Karma, if we are installing that one into your system, whenever the Wi-Fi enabled laptop is there, it will imposter the wireless access points. Means which all the uh, uh, protected wireless connections it should connect, then those wireless connections only can access your system. In that way you will be using that. And described as an internet in a box, Karma fools other laptops into sharing their cookies for major websites and other purposes. Okay. And Yersinia Yersinia is a security research tool that generates the network layer 2 attacks. The data link layer protocols on this layer generally do not authenticate other system. Whenever we are going for data link layer, it won't authenticate with respect to the other systems, meaning whether whatever the frames they are sent are accepted as a valid and acted upon. This is a general vulnerability responsible for the ARP cache positioning, that is corrupting machine and internet addresses, corrupting the machine and internet addresses. Yersinia can perform host spoofing and monkey in the middle attack on 6 additional protocols, including the dynamic host configuration protocol DHCP, which is responsible for assigning the internet protocol addresses to machines. Whenever we are going for Yersinia security, which will be generating security research tool. Means always it will be checking related to is there any threat has occurred or is there any malicious connections has been provided with respect to your system and all. All those things you can see in with respect to Asenia security research tool. Many of the security issues in the internet are due to software assuming the all others are playing by the rules. For example, assuming that other programs follow all the internet requests for the comment standards, specialization, and always exchange responsible parameter, cyber exploit code, and malware exploit these design assumptions by deliberately breaking the rules and checking the technology of God and causing the targeted software to perform operations it has not designed to do and on behalf of attackers. Whatever the cyber exploits codes are there, malware exploit are there, they are designed design assumptions by deliberately breaking the rules and uh, catching the technology off guard. See, whenever we are going with respect to followed by the rules, if I am telling one example as Wi-Fi which is nearby, means which is in the 10 meter or 20 meter or within the 10 meter radians, if you have any other Wi-Fi routers which can be acting as a malicious or which is generated by the hackers, then it won't check for that. Means it won't check for is it a malicious connection or is it a hackers connection, anything, attackers connection, anything. Simply it will give a connection with respect to access with respect to your system. That is the main problem. If you are accessing that those type of free Wi-Fi connections, then your system will get hacked and your system data can be accessed by any type of the attackers who is generating that type of wireless uh, mm, Wi-Fi connections. Okay, Wi-Fi routing systems. Causes, symptoms, and consequences. That is, the causes, symptoms, and consequences of this anti-pattern includes lack of server authentication. That is HTTP, Wi-Fi, GSM, and DNS and SMTP connections. Lack of server authentication. If lack of client authentication, if we don't have any client authentication, then also this problem occurs. And not monitoring networks for malformed protocols and packets. If you are not monitoring any networks with respect to malformed protocols or malformed packets. Next, yeah. Next is refractor solution examples and example. There are many inherent weaknesses in internet technologies that you cannot uh, mitigate. And what you can do is use cybersecurity best practices to make your system hard targets. For example, harden system configuration according to the best practice guidelines. Use the most advanced updated solution with for antiviruses, anti-spyware, and IDS and IPS and host-based security systems, and configure systems such as Wi-Fi enabled laptops to require host authentication, engineer security into the system from the beginning of the development life cycle. From starting only, you should have a high level security. You should provide, and Wi-Fi enabled laptops to be required to host authentication. Whenever you are accessing, always host at an authenticated Wi-Fi access only you should take. Okay. And the Center for Internet Security publishes a set of security configurations benchmarks, the uh, combine best in class inputs for the vendors and third party sources. You can find it in, you can see the, okay, Center of Internet Security, which will provide you more guidelines with respect to what all the things you have to do, what all the configurations you have to do. I think it is visible. The website is also visible, I think, for you people. World renewed best practices and expert communities where you will be having ICS controls, protect your organization with the cyber attacks with globally recognized CIS controls and companion guides and mapping. Using all these things, you can control your organizational cyber attacks. You can protect your organizational data by the cyber attacks. CIS benchmarks safeguard IT system against the cyber threats with more than 100 configuration guidelines, access more than 25 vendor product families. With respect to IT firms, we can go with CIS benchmark. CIS secures suite membership, that is secures your organization with resources and tools designed to harness the power of CSI benchmarks and CSI controls. And MSIS AC is access resource from threat prevention, protection, responses and recovery of US state, local, tribal and terrestrial government entities. With respect to government entities, you are going to provide the security through this. In this website, you can see why all these things are needed, how to protect everything, all those things you can see. Okay. Yeah, that part is one. And content. We delete the logs over this network. Always play by the rules also over. Next, we related solutions in that one. Some authorities have argued for fundamental rethinking of internet with much stronger support for delegation of trust and attribution of user actions part. uh, yeah, with respect to trust only you can access, or some of the attributes you have to give it as a uh, give it as an basic requirements whenever you are accessing with respect to Wi-Fi or internet. Okay.